So, it's been a long week. I'm only halfway through it. I'm tired, so this may not come out right. My chair's making a noise too, so I'm going to try and sit still. We will see how this goes. But this video, men need to watch this video. Dads need to watch this video. You need to hear this. Because too many of us are stuck. We're stuck waiting for something that's never coming. And that's closure. You think your ex is going to change. You think one day they're going to wake up and miraculously they're going to start co-parenting the way they should be. You're fooling yourself. It's not happening. And the longer you wait for it, the more power you give them over your life. See, this is a double-edged sword that we live as men. Your ex can kick dirt in your face, disrespect you, make your life difficult, and yet you have to stay composed and you have to be the bigger person, taking the moral high ground, or at least you do with my philosophy. You have to show them respect even when you're getting nothing but bitterness in return. And let's be real, that's not easy. It's frustrating as hell and it's painful. But you know what? It's absolutely necessary. Do you know how often I lose? I lose every single day. But am I really losing? If my daughter is winning. You don't do it for them, you do it for your child. Because no matter how much pain you're carrying, your child doesn't deserve to feel it. Your child shouldn't be caught in the crossfire of the resentment. You have to show up like a man, controlled, composed, and focused, even when you're hurting, even when you want to explode. Because let me tell you this, nothing, and I mean nothing, gives your ex more power over you than seeing you react. That's what they want. They want you emotional. They want you broken. They want you chasing after closure, chasing after respect they will never give you. So you take their power away from them. How? By refusing to play their game, by keeping your side clean, by walking into every interaction like a business deal, short, clear, and professional. No emotion, no unnecessary conversations, just about the needs of the child. Nothing more. The hardest part, there is no closure. There is no conversation, no apologies, no moment where everything makes sense. You don't get that. You just don't get it. It's not going to happen. When you have kids together, you don't get to walk away and move on. You have to keep dealing with them. And that means healing while being in the fire of fury. But here's what you need to do. And what you need to understand is closure is a lie. You don't need their approval. You don't need their apology. You just need to move forward. And the second you stop wanting and waiting for them to change, the second you stop hoping for things to be different, that's the second you take your power back. So what do? You shift your focus, stop worrying about them and start focusing on yourself and your kids. You stop expecting co-parenting to work when they don't want it to. And instead you switch to parallel parenting, where you keep it strictly about the kids. No extra emotion, no unnecessary conversation. And if they try to bait you, if they try to get under your skin, then you stay cool. You don't engage. You don't give them what they want. You handle your business and you keep your peace and you keep moving forward. You don't get closure. You don't get an apology, but you get a choice. The choice to rise above this, the choice to show your kids what strength really looks like, the choice to focus on the future instead of being stuck in the past. Let them play their games. Let them say what they want to say, and let them live in negativity. You've got bigger things to do, and you have to start, and that's building for the future. And that future starts the moment you decide you're done with waiting for closure. It's all a choice, everything. So stay focused, stay strong, and keep moving forward.